Learn how to shift rows, columns, and cells in Excel without deleting the original ones. In our previous video, we showed you how to move any data in a quick and simple way with just a few clicks. Now, we'll show you how to shift a row while keeping all the other rows intact using the simplest method. First, select the row you want to move. Then, position the cursor on the row border until you see the cross arrow pointer. Finally, use the left mouse button to drag and drop the row to its new position. If you encounter a warning window saying that there's already data in the new location, press OK to replace the rows. However, if you want to keep all the rows and only shift the position of the selected row, you must do it another way. Let's unleash the magic of shifting data. First, select the row you want to move. Then, position the cursor on the row border until you see the cross arrow pointer. Then, use the left mouse button, press the Shift key, keep it pressed and drag and drop the row to its new position. There you have it. The magic is revealed. Pressing and holding the Shift button allows you to shift the position of the selected data. You can also shift the same way columns by selecting the desired column, positioning the cursor on the column border, use the left mouse button, press the Shift key, and keep it pressed and then dragging and dropping the column to its new location. Let's do the same with cells. Simply highlight the cells you want to shift, grab the border anywhere around the outside, press the Shift key and drag and drop it where you want it to go. Do you want more Excel tips? Okay, in addition to shifting, you can also copy rows or columns with just a few clicks. To copy a column, select the column you want to copy, grab the border anywhere around the outside, press the Shift and Control buttons simultaneously, and drag and drop the column to its new location. There you have it. Easy and quick Excel hack which saves your valuable time. If you found this tutorial video helpful, please give us a like or leave a comment below and watch another video tutorial on how to in 2 minutes.